I graduated from my LPN to RN program back in 2021. Since that time, I attempted to take the NCLEX 3 times. One of those times, just bombed it. Second time, anxiety was so bad, didn't even go. Third time, I wasn't prepared. And so I did all that within like a 2-year period. And from that point, my test anxiety was just horrible. I did try a couple of the other popular programs. They just didn't work for me. And I kept seeing the V2 program showing up on my social media news feed, also the quick facts. And so I think I actually ordered the quick facts first during like a Black Friday sale, and that was good information, and I couldn't put it down. And so I went ahead and ordered the V2. That really got me was how you shared your story and how your career started. You know, you keep mentioning you can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX. And I feel like the affirmations really just made it feel like it was more attainable, like I could really do it. And so I started the plan, I finished the plan, I did the question banks. That by far was probably like the icing on the cake, like just making the different tests with the question bank and prayer, you know, what this can do for my family, the weight that it has lifted. I don't have to study. I don't have to study anymore. I mean, I do, because we're lifelong learners, but NCLEX, like, that's been delivered from it. Amen. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am a single mother of 3 young boys, and this really just, the mental stress that it has taken away and the care that I'm really able to provide to my family, to my patients. I mean, it's just unmatched, it's unreal, and I just thank God for you. I thank God for this purpose for my life. So I passed NCLEX next gen with ReMar.